I'm Miss Walker, and in this video, I'm going over week 8, Tuesday math. And in this video, we're going over perimeter of a polygon. So anytime we see the word perimeter, we circle the T in perimeter and we put a plus sign because for perimeter, we have to add all the side links. I always ask my kids, how do you find perimeter? And they say, add all the side links. So it says find the perimeter of each shape by adding the links of each side, basically adding your side links. Be sure to include your units in your answer. Remember, if you don't include units, I always assume you're talking about puppies, and we're not. So for perimeter, you can add the numbers in any order. But I would suggest if you have more than 3 or 4 add-ins, which are numbers that you add together, that you go in order around your shape. So the first thing we do when we're finding perimeter is we put tick marks on our side links. And then once we've got tick marks on all the side links, we make sure there's a number at every tick mark. And there is. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add. And I'm going to go around this way because I know 6 plus 4 is 10. And then I'm going to add 5. And 10 plus 5. I hate when my computer freezes. Whew. Let's try this again. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 10 plus 5 is 15. And if you noticed before, my computer messed me up. I had check marks. I make sure I check every number that I use so that I don't get confused. So what I'm going to write on this line is the perimeter is 15 centimeters. All right, on this next one, I have all 9s. So some of you guys have realized that if you have 4 9s, you can do 9 times 4. And if you just want to do addition, that's fine. I don't want you to get confused with area. But we're going to do 9 plus 9. And I know my doubles, 9 plus 9 is 18. And another 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 plus 8 is 16. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this answer is 36 feet. Now, I know you probably noticed I didn't add my tick marks. On this one, all of the side links are already labeled. So I'm not going to worry about adding my tick marks on this one just to save time. All right. Now, this one has more than 3 or 4 numbers. However, you can go around the shape like I suggested, or you can group the numbers the way it makes sense to you. Now, if I wasn't doing this video to show you how to add the numbers correctly, I would do 8 plus 8, 7 plus 7, add those 2, and then add 5, because that's what makes sense to me. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go around the shape. So I'm going to do 8 plus 7. I know 8 plus 8 is 16, minus 1 is 15. 15 plus 5 gives me 20. 20 plus 7 is 27. And then I'm going to add 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Because 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus 1 is 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. So on this one, my perimeter is 35 inches. Moving on to letter D. On the shapes that have the numbers that are the same on the different side lengths, so if the side lengths on the left and right are the same, and then the top and bottom are the same, I usually add those two because I like to do doubles. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 10 plus 10 is 20. And 12 plus 12 is 24. And I know 20 plus 24 gives me 44. And that's going to be 44 millimeters. All right. This next one, I'm going to go ahead and do my doubles. On E, I've got 4 plus 4. I know that's 8 plus 2. I know 8 plus 2 is 10. So I'm at 10 right now. And 10 plus 3 is 13. So I'm going to write 13 millimeters. Now, on the next ones, I'm going to show you how I do it in my head. I'm not going to keep writing it out, just so that you can see how math works when you understand the numbers. That is where I want you to get and be able to use these numbers to where they work for you. So, on this next one, I am going to go around in order because I have 4 and 6 here, and that gives me 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So I can write 13 here. 13 plus 4 is 17. And then I'm going to do 17 plus 8 because 8 is my last number. 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus 1 is 15. 1 plus 1 is 2. So on this one, the perimeter is 25 feet. Moving down to the bottom, I'm going to do 15 plus 10 first, and I know that's going to give me 25. And then I'm going to add 7. So 25 plus 7. 7 plus 5. Well, I know that 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 3 more. So hold on, let me show you what I'm doing. All right, I like to add, so you can add 10 or you can add 9. I like to personally add 9 when I do this, but I'm going to show you by adding 10. So 5 can be broken up into 3 and 2. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. What I was going to do was break it up into the 9 because I automatically think 10 and take away 1. So 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12. All right, same thing, just depends on how you want to break that up. 2 plus 1 is 3, so that gives me 32 centimeters for my perimeter. On H, I'm going to do my doubles. Actually, in this case, I'm not going to add my 9 plus 9 and my 11 plus 11 because I know 9 plus 11 gives me 20. And then I have 11 plus 9 again, and that's going to give me 20. And I know 20 plus 20 is 40. So this is going to be 40 inches. Then on this last one, it's super easy to count because I'm just going to count it by twos. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 meters. So on this last one, ooh, the perimeter is 12 meters. All right. That is the end. If you have any questions about how I did anything here, feel free to call me, text me. I'm here to help you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.